In 2012, my wife and I had the opportunity to move back to this area. We were relocating because of my job, and we had choices of where we could live. We chose to come back to BISD. We had lived here before, we were familiar with the school district, and we were aware of the growth that was occurring here. And we're very glad that we did. My daughter became very active in band and all the programs there, ultimately taking multiple classes that she really enjoyed the teachers. My son also was in band and actually ended up going through the Goddard Rockets program that ultimately went to White Sands, New Mexico. We're very proud of what they were able to achieve and how this district prepared them for college and for beyond. In Brazosport ISD, we believe our kids are our future, and for over 75 years, Brazosport ISD has been preparing future-ready graduates. Through careful planning and responsible financial stewardship, BISD has consistently delivered on past bond commitments, completing projects on time and within budget. Thanks to our community's support, we've built innovative learning spaces, enhanced career and technical education opportunities, and improved campus infrastructure, all while maintaining the highest standards of fiscal responsibility. For decades, BISD has earned a perfect score in the state's financial integrity rating system of Texas, demonstrating our commitment to a strong financial management and accountability. Last fall, a dedicated group of community members, business leaders, parents, teachers, and students came together to assess our district's needs. The result of their work is the proposed 2025 bond, a $167 million investment in our schools. The 2025 bond proposal is a community-driven plan to enhance student safety, upgrade learning environments, and address critical infrastructure while maintaining the district's existing tax rate. While we continue to support our students, our schools have not seen an increase in state funding in over 6 years. During this same time period, day-to-day expenses like property insurance have soared 77%. Fuel costs have risen, increasing the district's transportation expenses, and inflation has impacted every aspect of our operational budget. In spite of these challenges, Brazosport ISD is committed to providing every student with the highest quality education and a safe, welcoming environment. The proposed projects will benefit students and staff at every campus from early childhood through high school, including safety, things like new and additional security cameras, updated emergency communication and fire protection systems, school bus replacements and service vehicle upgrades, field lighting, resurfaced track and tennis courts. There will be updates to the learning environments for improved student opportunities, the career and technical education equipment refresh, special education resources, band and fine arts uniforms and equipment, student devices, network infrastructure, and classroom projectors, flexible classroom furniture. There will also be infrastructure investments such as new roofs, plumbing and mechanical upgrades, air conditioning and boiler system replacements, replacement flooring, updated kitchen equipment replacement, lighting and ceiling improvements. All the bond projects can be completed while maintaining the district's current tax rate, similar to the 2014 and 2019 bond programs. However, due to changes under House Bill 3, all bond ballots must include the statement, "This is a property tax increase." This language is required by the state, even though the district's tax rate will remain stable with the passage of this bond. The proposed bond is designed to provide students with the resources needed to support their educational experience. The 2025 bond election is an opportunity for the Brazosport ISD community to address these priority needs. Early voting takes place from April 22nd to April 29th, 2025, with Election Day on May 3rd, 2025. For detailed information, please visit www.brazosportisd.net 2025 bond.